Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get 1k followers on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open your Instagram, and you first need to post a quality content with the hashtags like I am doing. You can see that. So you need to post quality content daily. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on the search icon and search here the big accounts like Ronaldo account. Okay, let me show you. And you need to follow the 10 to 20 people here. So I'm going to follow. And then you need to search for another account. So I'm going to search for Kylie Jenner. So this is also a big account. You can search in your niche also. So let me search for Kylie Jenner. Okay, and then you need to click on followers and start following here also. So you need to follow 10, 20, 40 to 50 people at one time. And once you've done that, you simply need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes, and you can see that one follower is here that following me. You can see that I get follower in 1 second. So this is a process by which you can get 1k followers on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.